Hello, my student. Today I will answer exercise 1, primary 5. Approximate 4.7398 to the nearest hundredth. I must put line under the hundredth. The hundredth is 3. 9 will give 3 because it's rich number. So the answer will be 4.7 and 9 gives 3. It will be 4. I want to make it to the nearest thousands. 9 is the thousandth. 8 will give 9 because 8 is a rich number. Yes, 9 will be 10, 0 and carry up 1, 314.7.4. Write the remainder number as it is. This number choose 736.592 become 736.59. 2 not give 9 anything because it's poor number, so it's to the nearest hundredth because here unit tenth hundredth. 82.497, 82.50, 50. So 9 become 10, 0 and carry up 1, and this is to the nearest hundredth because here tenth hundredth. 3 and 1 over 8. I must put 1 over 8 in decimal number. It is 0.125. If I write here 3, it will be here 3. 3.125. To the nearest hundredth, 10th hundred. 5 will give 2 because it's rich number, so it will be 3. 3, 1, 3. 3.13. 13.376 plus 15.75. I must write it to make addition. Plus point under point, 5 before point 1, after that point 7, 5 and here will put 0. 6 plus 0 equals 6, 7 plus 5 12 and carry up 1, 3 1 4 7 11 point carry up 1, 4 5 9 and 2. Approximating to the nearest hundreds is 2. 6 will give 2 will be 3 1 9 2. First question must make minus 3 7.42, maybe not 3 7.4289 minus point under point 4 1 0 8 1 and here is 0. 9 minus 0 equal 9, 8 minus 1 equals 7, 12 because 2 minus 8 can't be, must borrow from the other number, 12 minus 8 equal 4, 3 minus 0, 3, 0.7 minus 4 equal 3, 3 minus 1 equal 2, and approximate to the nearest hundredths, 10th hundredths, 7 will give 4 because rich number, it will be 5, 3.23. 8.657 meters to the nearest centimeter. If this meter and this centimeter must change meter to centimeter first and then make approximate to the nearest unit. 8.657 meter to be centimeter times 100. So I will move the point 2 times. 865.7 and approximating to the nearest unit is 5. 7 will give 5. It will be 6. Write down the number 3. Write down the smallest decimal fraction includes 2, 5, 7, 8, then approximate it to the nearest hundreds and thousand. To write, must start with 0 point and ascending this number 2, 5, 7, 8. Approximate to the nearest hundreds. 5 is 100. 7 will give 5. Will be 6. 0.26. If I want to the nearest thousand, 7 is the thousandths, 8 will give 7, it will be 8, and write the number. This is nearest hundreds, and this is nearest thousands. The number 4.559 approximating will be 4.6. This is to the nearest 5 give 5 and be 6 because here is only one number, so it will be 10th. The difference between 41 over 500 and 0.473. This must be decimal number, so I will multiply times 2 times 2. 82 over 1000, 1, 2, 3, 0.082, and minus 0.082 from this number. 3 minus 2, 1, 17 minus 8, 9, and this is 3 because I borrow from it, 3. And to the nearest tenth, 3 is the tenth, 9 will give it, so it will be 4. Number C, 3 over 4 minus 1, 3 over 200. Must change this fraction to decimal, so I remember that 3 over 4 is 7500. And this must multiply by 5, so 115 over 1000. I move 1, 2, 3, it will be 1.015. And subtract 3.75 minus 1.015. I must put here 0. 10 minus 5 equal 5 and borrow. 4 minus 1 equals 3. 7. 3 minus 1 equal 2. Approximate to the nearest hundredth. 3 is the hundredth, 5 will give it, it will be 4, 7.2. The other question must divide it by 1000. I put point here in the first, so I change it and move it 3 times into left. 1, 2, 3, 4.357, and approximate it into hundredths, nearest hundredths. Hundredths is 5, 7 will give 5, it will be 6, 3.4. The other question, number 5, a road extended for 74,389 meters. Find the length in kilometer. To change it to kilometer, must divide it by 1000. 1, 2, 3. Point here, 74.389. And to approximate it to the nearest hundreds, hundreds is 8, 9 will give it. It will be 9, 3, 74.39 kilometer. Complete this is the last question. 39 days, approximate it into weeks. We must change days to week. Week have 7 days, so if I want to change days to weeks, must divide it by 7. So I can change improper fraction to mixed number. Leave 7 as it is. 7 times what equals 39? 7 times 5. And the remainder, 7 times 5, 35. After 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 4. To approximate it to the nearest unit, must multiply the numerator by 2. 4 times 2 equal 8. If it is greater than the denominator, so 5 will be add 1. 8 greater than 7, yes, so 5 will be 6. It's 6 weeks. The other questions, 255 hours to days. They have 24 hours, so I must divide it 255 divided 24. If I want to divide it 255 to change improper to proper, 25 divided 24 equal 1 times 24. Subtract 5 minus 4 equal 1, 2 minus 2 equals 0. 5. 15 divided 24 can't be, and the remainder is 15. So it's 10, 15 over 24. Also, to approximate it, must multiply by 2. It will be 30. 30 greater than 24? Yes. So it will be add 11. Other question, not need to convert number because it's kilometer to kilometer. So I approximate to kilometer is unit. 2 before point is unit. 4 don't give to anything because it is 4, so it will be 12 as it is. 67 months also to get years must divide it by 12, and improper fraction to mixed number. 12 times what equals 67? 12 times 5 equals 60. 60 plus 7 equals 67. So approximate 7 multiplied by 2 equal 14, greater than 12, yes, so 5 will be 6. Thank you, my student.